Hey, I'm Sebastien Heintz, and I'm here with Herman.
Hello, how are you?
And so we're here at Wheels and Wings in Lake City, Florida. And the occasion for being here is for hosting a Zenith hands-on workshop. So behind us, let's just have a quick look here. We're doing the actual assembly of rudders. Herman and Amy, his wife Amy, are the wonderful host for this event. And as you can see, we've got a pretty full group here. We've got, what, 10 rudders?
Yeah, we've got 10 rudder builders, yeah.
So it's great to see. And so this is, hey, we're even getting folks to wave, taking a break. We just got started a little bit earlier this morning, and we look forward to doing this pretty much all day today.
Yes, and tomorrow.
And then what are we doing tomorrow, Herman?
Tomorrow morning we finish it up, and then we got a fly-in. So Wheels and Wings is offering a lunch cookout with hamburgers and hot dogs and all kinds of...
kind of like an open house, and then the Zenith regional fly-in.
Yes.
And we look out here, we've already got a few projects here. Now these are projects that...
This is a 750 cruiser with a Rotax 912.
And
we got a 750 stall with a UL Power 350i. This is a little ways to go. And then when you go down, we got a demo 750 stall. We got a 750 cruiser there, which we use today for demo flights with the Rotax 912 IS. In the background is a 601 HD built by a local enthusiast, Bill. And here is a 750 stall with a 350 IS UL power to finish.
And then tomorrow we'll probably have a few more Zenith flying in as well. So
yeah, we expect
nice
a couple more people today even, and hopefully tomorrow.
And as we can see, we're in beautiful sunny Florida, so it's a great great place to host a workshop. And
we start off a little chilly in the morning, and then it gets beautiful during the day.
And you can see the Zenith cargo van. So I drove the cargo van down here, delivering some kits along the way, and just enjoying the time down here in Florida. And so if those of you that come down to Florida, feel free to visit with Herman. He does builder assist, and
that's correct. Yes, help finishing up.
Get some local support right here for building and flying your own airplane.
I think you are right on.
You got it, kid.
I think I'm all done. That's yours. I ended up stopping.